Minimarvels channel. Like and subscribe.
Phonics, phonics, a feast for our ears. All the words where these sounds appear. Phonics, phonics, oh what a treat. Phonics sounds good enough to eat. A sounds like a, a. A like apple, a. B sounds like ba, ba. B like banana, ba. C sounds like ka. C like coconut, ka. D sounds like da. D like donut, da. E sounds like e. E like egg,